Hey everyone, welcome back to Shreeshas Studio. In today's video, I'm showing you all how to create this soft yellow eyeshadow look. So let's get started. To start off, I'm using Fenty Beauty primer and applying it on the centers of the face. Using Becca backlight priming filter to give a glow on all over the face. Using PAC concealer to cover the under eyes and blemish marks. I'm using my fingers to blend using NARS foundation all over the face. This gives a very skin like finish. I'm using Tarte Shape Tape concealer to highlight the face. Using MAC compact powder in the shade NC35 to set the concealer. I'm using a glow kit palette by ABH to highlight the face. Using ABH contour kit to bronze my face. I'm just bronzing my face. Using Maybelline blush. Now you can see that just by using blush you can also contour your face, and this is how it looks. It looks uplifted. Using Cover FX setting spray. This is an illuminating setting spray to add more glow. Using Oh Honey palette by Nicka K. I'm using the yellow on a blending brush and applying it all over the lid, making sure that there are no harsh lines. Buffing out the edges using the brown shade. I'm using the same brown shade on the lower lash line. Using a blue color kajal by Nykaa on the waterline. Using coffee lip liner from PAC. This mascara is amazing. This is from Maybelline. Going back with the palette and just highlighting the inner corner of the eyes. If you want, you can add some glitters too. Using the MAC liquid lipstick and applying it on just on the centers. To give a pouty effect, I'm using lip gloss in the center. So here's the completed look. Simple, very easy to recreate and very easy to carry also. Hope you all liked it. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all. Take care.